Hey guys, it's Shakita and I want to welcome you back to my channel. I'm so excited today because today we are making fried rice. I am really excited about sharing my recipe with you. We're going to be putting chicken in it and a lot of other goodies, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I have all my ingredients here and I have my butter, my onions that I've cut up. I use frozen peas and carrots that I rinsed off and I soak on a paper towel. I have eggs and olive oil and cooking spray, and then right behind it I have all my seasonings that I used. And here I have my chicken breast that I have cut up and let marinate, and I just drizzle a little bit of teriyaki sauce, a little bit of olive oil, sesame oil, and the adobo seasoning. Also, you can use a little bit of garlic powder and seasoned salt. And those are just a couple of things well, it's more than a couple of things. Those are just some things that I used to season the chicken breast. On the left, you'll get a sneak peek of the rice here in a minute. With the rice, I'll show you how I rinse it off and everything. But I cook it, I rinse it off, and I soak it on a paper towel just so it can soak up all of that water. And so the rice won't be so gummy. I don't know if you've ever experienced that, but cooking with fried rice, but the rice can be a little gummy. I also want to add that I did forget my soy sauce. And so usually I drizzle some of that on my vegetables and on my meat and in my rice when I'm cooking it. So I had to wait to the end till we ate dinner to use soy sauce, but usually I like to work it into my ingredients before I cook it. It's not necessary, but I tend to like it a little bit better when I add the soy sauce. Also, I just wanted to mention, y'all look over my paper plates. Like, I had somewhere to be right after this, and I did not have time for all those dishes. So just kind of look over it. But we're about to get started, so I hope y'all enjoy. Now, when I cook my ingredients, I do use a cast iron skillet. I do have a wok, but for some reason, some of my best fried rice has been cooked in a cast iron skillet. I love my skillet, and I cook so many things in it. It's just my preference. Not to knock the wok. I've had good fried rice, come out of a wok, but I don't know, that cast iron skillet, I guess the way it gets so hot, it just does it for me. And there you have it. This is the way I do my fried rice. I hope y'all enjoyed this today. And if you could, just comment below and let me know if you liked the video or if there's something else you would like to see in the future. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when new videos come out. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a blessed day.